Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change the touchpad speed on your Windows laptop. Maybe it's too slow and you need to pull your finger on it several times to get where you want. Or sometimes it's too fast and makes it hard to accurately click things. To change the touchpad speed, we'll first go to Settings. Either click on the Start menu down in the taskbar and choose Settings, or hold down the Windows key and hit the letter I on your keyboard, which will open the settings for you. Once you're in the settings, we'll go to Bluetooth and Devices, which is kind of a confusing name for touchpad settings if you ask me. But you'll scroll down there and you'll find a section called Touchpad, so you're going to click that. Here, you'll have a main toggle for turning the touchpad on and off, and below that, you'll see the cursor speed setting. Lower the speed and the cursor moves slower, or crank up the speed and the cursor will go far and fast with the same amount of finger movement on the touchpad. This is really a personal preference. Some people like this super fast, while others value a slower and more precise cursor. Underneath, you'll have some other touchpad-related settings, like the Taps menu. This allows you to click by just tapping the touchpad without having to physically press it all the way down until it clicks. And the Touchpad Sensitivity menu allows you to choose how sensitive it is to register these tap-style clicks. This has nothing to do with the cursor speed. Anyways, that's how you change the touchpad speed. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.